10 months ago, we picked up the Stelvio 2.0 with big plans for a QV conversion. We've been super busy. We switched up the interior with carbon. We tossed on the QV rear bumper. If you're new here, welcome to Modern Motors. My name is Ricky, and I run this channel along with my wife, Crystal. We've been working with Alfa Romeo content for the last 3 years. We did the Giulia QV conversion, and now we're diving into the GTAM conversion. The wait's been real, but today's the day. We finally sealed the deal on the last bits of the Stelvio QV conversion. We're super pumped to share this journey with you guys. We've been working this deal for the last few months here. Hit subscribe if you guys want to see this journey or the Giulia journey. If you guys want to see how we installed this hood, this is the video for you. I know we've had a few missed days of Vlogmas. We're kind of bummed that we ran over our GoPro. Now we have to use this crappy GoPro that sometimes turns off, so hopefully it doesn't turn off while I'm trying to give this spiel. Let me get my mind straight. So anyways, there's a guy that watches the channel. He was thinking about parting out a Stelvio QV. He told me a few months back, hey, there's this potential for me to do this. Let me know if you're interested in the part. And I said, I'm interested in everything. So I went over today. He hit me up yesterday. I went over today and I said, you know, let me know what you got. And I'm gonna show you what I got. This bumper, if you guys don't know, is $2,400. Like, even with the deal, not shipped to your door. It's really, really expensive. Not including, you gotta buy this, you gotta buy this, you gotta buy a lot of stuff for it. We got everything here for $2,400. So everything here for $2,400, which is a deal you cannot beat. So again, I never really intended on running this front bumper. Now we are. I know I'm just like really shocked that we got everything.
Yeah,
really
he's still trying to process everything.
I literally just got back 2 seconds ago.
Yeah. Oh. The front seat.
Here is the other fender.
I was like, what is he getting?
The other fender for it. I don't know how I feel about the QV emblems. I may shave them off like I did with the
Yeah.
Giulia.
Yeah.
But we have them. These are genuinely the only part that I wanted from his build. These should pop right into this bad boy, just like that. So they clip straight in, and they should look phenomenal.
Wow, dude.
This changes the whole appearance, in my opinion, of the car.
Yeah.
It needs new clips. I'm sure he probably broke them when he took it off.
Oh, shit.
Another cool add-on.
What? You're cool, dude.
Out of everything that I bought this year, especially because we used the Stelvio a significant amount more, really cool purchase. My favorite purchase throughout the year. We're about to end up more than the GTAM.
Wow.
That's pretty crazy, right?
Dude, our garage looks crazy. We just have random parts laying everywhere.
I'm installing it now.
Oh, you're gonna install it now?
Right now.
That's clean. Yep. Gorgeous.
You see all the little hail?
Let me see if the camera will pick it up.
Yeah, should. We have a lot of it. This whole hood's done.
Oh yeah, you can see it. See this right here? Or here? Yeah.
Just for example, just to give you guys a rundown, these hoods are pretty costly. Used, they go for about $1,000 to $1,500. Used. Front bumper, brand new is like $2 grand. Cheapest I've seen it is about about $1,500. I think I saw one for $1,300. Over fenders, you can't find them. The cheapest I found them, that was with a hookup, was $800. Fenders, I don't know what those really go for. I'd assume at bare minimum, probably like $300-400. Yeah.
About 5 grand.
4 or 5 grand for all this. Not including the carbon fiber mirrors, not including the carbon pieces that are already on the Stelvio. And to take these off, it's a very easy process. As always, 13 millimeters. So what's nice about this hood versus the Giulia hood is the Giulia has squirters in it and this one didn't, so it's really just 4 bolts and it's off. So on this hood we also got the Koshi inserts. I'm gonna put the Koshi website. These are how much they are. I don't know how much they are. Hopefully we got a really good deal because those are really cool. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really know if I'm feeling them or not. They look cool aesthetically, but I don't know. It kind of just looks a little cheap to me. You guys let me know what you guys think about those. But overall, I think it came out really, really cool. As you guys can clearly tell, same thing with the front bumper. I'm sorry, same thing with the rear bumper. These are two different reds. You guys may not be able to really tell me if I pull back a little bit. You guys will be able to definitely tell if I pull back all the way. This is darker, this is lighter. I don't know if this is the same color as my rear bumper. At the end of the day, I'm pretty sure we're just gonna wrap the entire car anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference which way that we go. I don't know how we're gonna film this, because in order to do the fenders, we kind of need to take off the side skirts and the arches and the front bumper. So I don't know if we'll do like day 1, day 2, day 3, or if I'll do like each individual section recorded. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think would make most sense. The intent is to finish off Vlogmas with a full conversion of the Stelvio. Now, clips are really expensive. We just called Alfa Romeo Fort Worth, that's closing, and the clips for this wheel arch are $80 for not even all of them.
It's $80 per?
No, $80 for the whole set.
Oh.
And it's still missing like a good chunk from each side. Kind of refilmed the intro because I was super giddy when I got all this stuff.
I'm so excited.
I didn't know if I was actually gonna get it, but I'm super stoked that we actually do have it now.
We're excited.
We're excited. I'm excited. You guys know that obviously it took me a long time to build the Giulia QV. So to do the Stelvio QV conversion in a week is a short amount of time.
That's crazy, right?
How far the channel is coming, you know?
It took us like 3 years to do the Giulia.
You guys did not watch my holiday video, and I'm very upset because it took me a very long time to do that video. So right here on the corner, it's going to be the video, and if you don't have the time, it's going to be at the very end of this video. So either which way, go watch that video because it's super rude, and it took me a really long time. It took us several hours and over $150 to get that.
Really did.
That's a video we put the most effort into, time-wise, and the least amount of views. Thanks, guys. I'm going to start watering down your content if you don't. Recipe with this car that we did with the Giulia. So intake on this car, tune on this car, springs or coilovers on this car, everything the same thing. If you guys have opinions on what we should do next, definitely let us know. This is where we're gonna end today's video. I don't think it's a very long video, but it's a very exciting video. Shout out to everyone who supported us along the way. Shout out to you if you've been participating in all of Vlogmas. It truly does mean the world to us. We're super excited to end out Vlogmas with a Stelvio complete conversion if everything works out properly.
Yeah, this was not planned.
Yeah, this was not, well, this was planned, but not like right now.
Yeah.
I got a random hit up in the middle of the night saying, hey, I have everything ready, and I'm like, okay.
Got it.
Because we were supposed to be doing like 24 hours in the Giulia. We have to drop the car off the paint. We had a whole bunch of other slew of videos planned.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah. So this is how we're ending Vlogmas.
Yep.
Yep.
That's how we're gonna end it. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. The Stelvio and Giulia 2.0 never came with a way to turn off traction control. The easiest way to disable is to add a race selector, which you can win right now. All you have to do to enter is comment on all the videos that we've posted from December 1st through December 25th, all the long form content videos. Comment whatever you'd like. You'll have to January 1st to go back and comment on all the videos. Thank you for participating in our Vlogmas, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the content.